Hi guys, this is my first video of the holiday season. I am going to create more videos for you for your parties and your special events. So here we go. I'm starting by applying Makeup Forever Face and Body. This is a waterproof foundation. It's amazing because you don't have to apply any type of primer and it lasts all day long. Next, I'm applying my concealer and I'm also going to use it as my highlighter in my face. And this is Prolong Wear by MAC. I'm using my beauty blender, my favorite sponge in the whole entire world, to soften that out. It is so easy to use and it's fast. Next, I'm going to set that with the Makeup Forever powder. This is Super Matte Loose and I'm using it mainly in the center of my face. Next, I'm going to carve out my cheekbones and create a little dimension on my face. And I'm using a Skin Finish by MAC. And I'm just going right underneath my cheekbones, on my hairline, on the sides of my nose, a little bit on my eyelids, and then my jawline. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit of color. Next, I'm going to do the brows. This is my absolute favorite product. If I was stranded in an island, this is what I would take with me. I love it. It's waterproof, and if you want to see a makeup tutorial on this, I already did it, so scroll down on my Facebook page. So next I'm going to do my super easy wing with a pencil by L'Oreal. This is called Silk Simi. It's super black and creamy, and so that helps me finish it up with an angle brush and making sure it is pretty even on both sides. And to make that stay forever and ever, I'm applying a liquid liner to seal it. Next, I'm applying lash fibers. This is by Makeup Forever. And I'm using my favorite mascara here. It's by It Cosmetics. I am obsessed with this mascara. Next, if you want to rock a very strong lip, I would suggest that you always do this step by using a lip stain first. And that way you let that dry, you put your lipstick on, you can eat, drink, and party all night, and your lipstick will not go anywhere. So this is part 1 of my video. If you want to bump it up with the glitter, keep watching. Next, I'm going to create my crease, and I'm doing it with my eyes open because my eyes are kind of little. So this is essentially good for everyone that has this problem. And then I'm softening it out with a brush. Next, I'm going to put that glitter with a sealer. This is a waterproof sealant so that the glitter doesn't go everywhere. And I'm just applying it on the mobile part of the lid. And there you go. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.